Now on this side of the wall, you just want to level up your stud. Nice and level. You just put a mark on the ceiling for where the wall needs to be. And then that way you can let go of it, grab your gun, your nail gun or your drill, and attach it to the ceiling. If it's good, then finish screwing it or nailing it off. If it's not, then now you can add it to either side to make some adjustments. And again, just use your level to double check that your top sill plate is straight. This one is straight. And if it isn't straight, then we need to now, at this point, adjust it and making it straight as possible before setting a nail. Just prying it over with the nail bar